Today's modern IP security cameras are more advanced than ever. From larger resolution giving you more pixels to search on, to AI enhanced analytics on board the cameras. In QxControl, we are ready to take advantage of those analytics, and in this video we're going to show you how to search on the analytics. We're going to show you a little bit about how to create a rule and create actions around these analytics, and also how you can use QxControl to log into the camera and enable the analytics. QxControl is a perfect solution to take advantage of these modern IP cameras, and in this video we're going to tell you all about it. My name is Josh, and this is Clix. Okay, so now let's jump in and look at how QxControl works with these onboard analytic events that are on board these cameras. So here we are in live, so let's go to search. And when you first go to search, of course, you're just going to see all of the events that are happening in real time. This will continue to populate. And so what we want to do in order to use these analytics is to make it faster and more efficient to find what we are looking for. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the filters tab. You can see there's a number of different options here we can use to filter through and look for the event type or subject that we're looking for. Very simply, to use these analytics, we're going to choose the analytics tab, and we're going to pick the analytic that we want to search upon. So let's choose one that always is very busy, so we have some good examples here, and that would be crossline. So any camera that we have crossline enabled on is going to now appear based on that filter. And you can see we have several examples here. So it looks like we have a vehicle driving in, and you get the idea. It's going to make it much easier, much faster to find what you need. Now, another thing I'll point out here too is if you know the analytic that you're looking for, that you want to use when you search, not only can you scroll through and look at all of your options if you know exactly what you want. So in this case, I'm looking for crossline. You can also start to type that option, and that will get you there as well. Now, we can also come to the timeline page, and we can also see any of these analytic events that have taken place as we scroll through. This is especially helpful if you're using continuous recording. This is where you can come and scroll through and see all of the recording, not just the events. But you can see here all of the orange indicates that we have analytic events as well. So now that we have a better understanding of how these analytics work within QxControl, let's make sure you understand what you need in order to use them. And basically, these analytics need to be enabled on the camera itself. And the good news is you don't need to be local to the camera, and you don't need to even leave our app in order to enable that. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to the cameras page, and we're going to choose the camera that we want to enable the analytics on. We're going to go to config. We're going to go to web page. And so I am 3 hours away from the office. So as you can see, I'm now logged into that camera, and we're going to simply present our credentials. And now we're in. So again, I don't have to be on site. I didn't have to leave the app and do anything else. Right from go to web page, that takes me to the interface of the device. So now I can do a live view, but I can also go into the camera here, and I can change the settings. Now, each manufacturer is going to be a little different as far as how you do that. In this particular case, looking at this Axis as an example, their analytics are available on the apps page. And you can see here we have the Axis VMD is running and enabled. And they also give the ability to go straight to their web page. Again, I've never left the app, so that just opens up a new tab and allows me to download the analytics that I would like. Each manufacturer is going to work a little differently there, but the main thing is from QxControl, go to web page on the camera. I'm able to log right into that camera, and now I can begin to enable the analytics and make any changes that I would need to make. Lastly, let's take a quick look at how we make these analytics proactive and to help provide notifications or actions in QxControl. And we're going to start by creating a rule. So we're going to go to the rules page. We're going to choose create a rule. We're going to give it a name and a description. And then this is where we choose the analytic events. We're going to start with choosing the parking lot north camera that we've been using as our example. And you're going to add the event crossline as the trigger. So just as it sounds, triggers are conditions that enable the rule to start taking place. So we've created this rule to say on parking lot north entrance, when there's a crossline, we want to get a notification. So that's what we've chosen here. You can also choose, in addition to email, you can choose SMS text, you can choose webhook, you can choose to engage IOs. There's a lot of things you can do. Engage a lockdown, for example. So all of these analytics can be used to make QxControl proactively notify you or to take action. And this rules engine is very, very deep. Be sure to check out our user manual, our training videos, and all of our documentation around rules engine. One last thing I'd like to show you here is one of the places where you can get information about the various analytics that we support from the Edge, which is growing all of the time. If you go to the Products tab and go to Edge Analytics, right here at Qumulex.com, you can get information about the different analytics, what is supported, how they work, as well as a full listing of supported analytics by manufacturer. You can also check out the resources page on Qumulex.com. Check out our Qumulex Insights. We also have an Edge Analytics data sheet that you can download. We also have all of our training videos are available on the videos page of our website, Qumulex.com, also available on our YouTube page as well. We have playlists for both the authorized reseller training as well as the access control training. Also, make sure that you follow us on YouTube. Make sure that you follow all of our social channels so that you can stay up to date with any new content or anything new from Qumulex and QxControl. That concludes this episode of Quick Clicks. My name is Josh. Thanks and hope to see you soon.